Hi, Jared Carmen from Carmen Real Estate, and welcome to 17 Alma Street in Mornington. Now, so close to the action, beachside property, close to the action, but tucked away and serene and private and quiet. This is an outstanding opportunity. Come and check it out. Such a fabulous home. On entering, there's a nice wide hallway. Down this path, you have a hallway that leads down to a fantastic bedroom. So much storage along here. Really great size. Nice timber frames. It frames the view out to the garden out the front here. Nice high ceilings. You have the main bathroom. Really good colorways. I like this color stone bench top. Beautiful. Really good size. Fantastic into the main bedroom. And the main bedroom, really great proportions. You have a ceiling fan, and you look out to this private garden. Ensuite bathroom, double vanities, great size, and a nice neutral palette. So the double garage is actually massive. It's longer than a standard garage with a tilt-seated door, and best thing, internal entry into the main part of the house. And step out of the garage into this monstrous living area. If space is what you need, this is an abundance of room. It is amazing. Tiled floor here for your dining area, into the more casual loungy area with a fireplace, gas log fire. This is so serene and beautiful. So in the main living area, it's attached to the kitchen, of course. The kitchen is of great size, stone bench tops, stainless steel appliances, really well laid out that you can be part of the action here, have dinner parties, entertain your friends, live an amazing life. Also, there's a third bedroom or a study, or if you wanted to work from home, a good size with built-in robes. Property is complete with ducted heating, split system cooling, and also the gas log fire. Now, if entertaining is your thing, you like a bit of a garden, here it is. Now, there's no body corporate for this one. This is your private space, it's yours. This entertaining area, amazing. You can either be in this part or this part off the other living area. Now, north facing, so plenty of sun. Picture yourself relaxing off the living space in this outdoor entertaining area. You've got blinds, retractable blinds. This is the ultimate lifestyle property. Compact enough that you don't have a lot of maintenance, but big enough that you've got your own space and your own privacy. This is an opportunity of a lifetime. So if you're looking for a beachside property in an amazing location in Mornington with your own space, this is it. Give me a call if you'd like to book an inspection, but please hurry. This is amazing.